Yagni benta jongga kubor la wanraj phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kajing thrang jong kumban real po ni nyo po tili kisnong jong Mawryngkneng banpin Kiew Kyrdan ya Mawryngkneng Primary Health Center shaka Community Health Center kan so ulong no. Kata kakot kakia kabala let jurip ya ka Phc hene kasengi ka atrik unai tung kalakular banpin Kiew Kyrdan Noh Sha ka Phc hau benai Naiwieng jong newsnem. UMLA ka Mawryngkneng uba David Nongrum habay kren bat ka Rikhasi channel ulay atu bagani ka CHC kapan sa Kiew Kyrdan hau benai Naiwieng kandon markaway ka male bat ka female ward bat ka trauma center.
We're very fortunate that Minister has taken this initiative and he's very serious about it also. And today in consultation with all the heads of the villages there and along with doctors and engineers and officers of the department, we are able to inspect and see the possibility of operating a PHC at the earliest. So since currently it's a PHC, we still have to upgrade it to a CHC. And there's a new building which has been constructed, which started around 2014-15, so which has to be upgraded to a CHC. So Health Minister today was there and then he has given instructions that we need one female ward and one male ward, and that can cope with the number of patients which will come from the surrounding villages. And since this is in the highway, Minister also assured that the trauma center also will be operational soon. There will be a trauma center there, because a lot of vehicles pass through the national highway, which is also the bypass, which bypasses Shillong. So I think what the Minister has assured today is that this PHC, which will be upgraded to CHC, will be in operation by November.